In this video, I'm going to do chemical bonding part 3. In this video, I'm going to give explanation for valency shell, electron pair repulsion theory, hybridization. Together, I will explain. Okay, so we have nearly 70, 70 to 80 examples, first year and second year. First year and second year. So questions like this. Suppose methane molecule is there. In methane molecule, what is the hybridization? What is the shape? What is the lone pair? How many lone pairs? How many bond pairs? What is the bond angle? Everything. So nearly 70 to 80, more than that it is there. So minimum we are going to see 70 to 80 examples in advanced program and mains NEET level. So 70 to 80 examples, that in organic chemistry, remembering all the points, it's very difficult, right? So that's the reason I'm going to give one shortcut. That is the best shortcut. So definitely end of the video, you can do your own many examples, students. Okay. First, let me explain. To calculate hybridization, to calculate hybridization and of central atom and bond pairs and lone pairs, bond pairs and lone pairs, geometry and shape of the molecule, and bond angle given by one useful shortcut. What is the shortcut? I am writing here, students. Half into, half into V plus M minus C plus A formula. Very useful formula. Half into V plus M minus C plus A. Clear, students? What is V refers? V refers number of valency electrons on central atom. How to find out central atom? In previous video already had explained. M, number of monovalent atoms. Monovalent atoms in periodic table, that is also I said in previous video, hydrogen and only halogen. It forms monovalent bonds, remaining divalent, trivalent, like that. Okay, now next one, C. This is cation charge. Actually, magnitude of cation charge simply you can. This is what anion charge. Students, not only neutral molecules, if they give any species like SO4 2 minus, NH4 plus, H3O plus, any species we can calculate hybridization and other story also with the help of the shortcut. Okay, let me give one question. Methane molecule. So what is the formula? Just now we have taken half into V plus M minus C plus A. Okay. And in description, and I'm going to send the pic also. So we have many examples that examples also I can send. So after listen this video, so go through that and go through the topic and start working questions, students. Definitely end of the video you will get more benefit. So half into V plus M minus C plus A, your central atom. Out of two atoms, which is less number, that is central atom. That is central atom. Clear? So how many valence electrons? 4. 4 plus, this is also monovalent atom, right? So 4 plus 4. It's not, it doesn't have charge. It is neutral molecule. Close the bracket. So 8 by 2. If 8 by 2, you will get 4. This is what we call it as electron pair. Electron pair. If 2 electron pairs is there, what is the hybridization? 3 electrons are there. I am going to write here, students. Electron pair 2. Then hybridization. This is what type of molecule? What type of molecule it is? AB2 type. AB2. So hybridization, Sp. If AB3 type is there, I will write all. AB3 type, electron pair 3. This is sp2. 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 1, 2. Like that. Next, AB4 molecule. That is 4. This example only. AB4. This is A and bond atom 4. AB4. Clear? Next one, sp3. Next, AB5. AB5 means sp3 dehybridization. And AB6. AB6. AB6 means 6. Then what you will get? Same number. What is the number? You can write. That's it. AB6 sp3 d2. So 1 plus 3, 4 plus 2, 6. AB7. AB7 means 7. 7 sp3 d3 hybridization. Clear, students? Like that. This is one point. Now find out what is the hybridization here. 4 electron pairs, no, students. What is this hybridization? Yes, sp3 hybridization. Clear? And now next, lone pair calculation. Students, concept separately I am not explaining. So with the example, I am covering valency electron pair repulsion theory, hybridization, complete topic. Okay. Lone pairs, how to calculate? I will give you idea. So students, I am writing here, these are all shortcuts. Electron pairs, we have 2 types. One we call it as bond pair, another one we call it as lone pair. Electron pairs, after calculation we will come to know. Bond pairs, the given question itself we will come to know. See here, CH4 molecule, no, number of bonds are 4. That is bond pair 4. Right? So now lone pairs we have to calculate. Lone pairs equal to electron pairs minus bond pairs. That's all, students. Bond pairs. Okay, now what is this? How many electron pairs? 4. 4 minus number of bonded atoms, 4. 4 minus 4, 0 lone pair. Okay, I am going to give what is that information? The big table is there. We have collected from good textbooks. No? So that pic I am going to send in the video and the description box also I can add. Definitely you can go through it and utilize it. Next, 4 minus 4, 0. So I am writing here. AB4 molecule, definitely sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization. Its geometry is tetrahedral. It can arrange in tetrahedral shape. And shape is tetrahedral. Shape also tetrahedral. If any guy sp3 hybridization tetrahedral 0 lone pair 0, then bond angle is 109 degrees 28 minutes. Clear, students? Like this we are going to calculate. Okay. So these 2 points we have to remember. So bond angles and all. Once you look into the table, you will come to know. Now, next one. We'll take another example. Definitely you will get many questions. Then based on that, we'll give the explanation. So NH3 molecule. NH3 molecule, what is this name? Ammonia molecule, right? So here central atom is nitrogen. So half into V plus M minus C plus A. So valence electrons of nitrogen 5, right? 5 plus 3. This is also neutral molecule, right? 8 by 2, 4. 4 electron pairs means above case I gave no sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization lone pairs. Without calculation lone pairs, you don't go for the answer. Lone pairs will decide the shape and bond angle. Lone pairs will decide the shape and bond angle. So 4 minus your number of bonded atoms 3. So 1 lone pair. See students, 1 lone pair. I am writing AB3E type. This is AB3E type. So here B is nothing but bond pair, E is nothing but lone pair, and A is nothing but central atom. Clear? That means out of 4, 1 is lone pair. If lone pair is there, definitely repulsions will be more. So I am writing one more point. After explanation this, I will write 1 point, students. Clear explanation I am giving, and next video many examples we can do. Then you will get good idea. Species also I will upload. So 4 minus 3, 1. So here AB, 1 second. It is very light color. So AB3E. AB3E is sp3 hybridization and geometry is. So most of the times examination they are asking geometry only, because to confuse the student. Geometry never change. Whatever hybridization geometry it can show. But shape of the molecule decided by. So what is the shortcut point, note point? What is the note point here? Shape of the molecule. Shape of the molecule is decided by lone pairs. If lone pairs increasing, then what happens? Repulsions increases. Write down that point. Lone pairs increases, repulsions increases. To avoid this repulsion, the bond angle decreases, shrinks, close, like that. So that's why bond angle decreases. Bond angle decreases. Clear? So now I'll show example also, will come to know. So this is geometry. This is pyramidal shape. Pyramidal shape and bond angle 107 degrees. Now ammonia molecule. Methane molecule structure, no, if you want to, you can draw here also. Yes. This is methane molecule. Central atom carbon, around carbon hydrogen, 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 all. This is tetrahedral number. Clear students? All are bond pairs. Okay. Bond pairs means bond between these two bonds, all bonds only. Okay. Pair means 2 electrons. 1 carbon electron, 1 hydrogen electron. Right? Now come back to the structure. Ammonia molecule structure. So after calculation by using shortcut, we came to know that around nitrogen we have 4 electron pairs, but 1 is lone pair. And the lone pair, I'm writing. Shape of the molecule decided by lone pair. And second point, lone pair increases, repulsions increases, and bond angle decreases. And third point, lone pair belongs to central atom only. See how easily you can write. See, like this. Hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. If they show geometry, if you want to show geometry with the lone pair, you can show the geometry. If the lone pair, you can show the geometry. But after that, what happened? Repulsions. Repulsions will be there. What is the repulsion, students? I'm writing. Here, this is lone pair electrons, no? Lone pair electrons, and this is bond pair electrons. Lone pair, bond pair. And next, this is bond pair, this is bond pair. Bond pair, bond pair. So this is also electron. These are also electrons. These are also electrons, right? Electrons negatively charged. This is also negatively charged. Negatively charged close. Then what happened? Repulsions will be there. If more repulsion, stability will be less. Repulsions more, what happens, students? Repulsions more, stability less. Stability less. Clear? To avoid this, to get more stability, the shape will change. Okay, repulsions. The lone pair's repulsion is always greater. What could be the reason? Lone pair is free. He is not participating in bond formation. Bond pair means he is busy with bond. But lone pair, that's why lone pair, repulsion is greater than lone pair, bond pair, bond pair, bond pair. So you can expect good questions here. In methane molecule, just now we have seen, no, methane molecule, we have only one type of repulsion. What type of repulsion? Yes, bond pair repulsion. That's it. Bond pair repulsions are not much effective. Okay, tetrahedral and shape and geometry both, bond angle also what we expected 109 degrees 28 minutes it is showing. But here lone pairs increases, what happens to this? Repulsions will be increases, then such a way bond angle and shape of the molecule also changing. Okay, here what type of repulsions in ammonia molecule? Ammonia molecule we have lone pair bond pair repulsions and bond pair also. So this is between these two bond pair, between these two lone pair. Clear? Now next example, water molecule. This is water molecule. Again same formula. Half into V plus M minus C plus A. Clear students? This is oxygen is the central atom. Central atom 6. 6 plus monovalent atoms 2. 8 by 2. 8 by 2 4. 4 means sp3 hybridization. And lone pairs how to calculate 4 minus 2. Right? Bonded atoms, bond pair 2. So 4 minus 2, 2. So here, so sp3 hybridization only. See, hybridization is not changing, but lone pairs are increasing. No? Lone pairs increasing means what happens, students? Definitely changes the shape. So this is what we call it as AB2 E2 type. Clear? And here what is this? Two lone pairs, two bond pairs, central atom, above case like. So what is this? What is this? Hybridization, sp3, geometry, tetrahedral. Next one. What is this? The next one, shape. Shape of the molecule is linear. Bond angle little more decreases. Expected 109 because sp3, but 104 because of repulsion. Okay. See, structure oxygen. It is bent shape. Sorry, it's not linear, ma. It's bent shape. Bent shape also call it as angular shape. Let me write here. This is bent or angular shape. Okay. Now lone pair belongs to central atom. That's it. Because of this lone pair, what type of repulsions are there here? Lone pair is there, and lone pair bond pair is there. Lone pair bond pair, lone pair and bond pair. Two between two bonds. All type of repulsions are present. That's why bond angle here it shows 104. Bond angle is nothing but the angle between two adjacent atoms. In ammonia molecule, what is the bond angle? 107 degrees. If you look into this is 107. Clear? Like this. Clear, students? So here lone pair calculation plays important role. How to calculate hybridization, bond pairs, lone pairs, everything I had explained. You can try some examples I am giving, and one charged species also I will take and explain. One charged one. See, SO4 2 minus. Okay, so what is the underlined one hybridization or central atom hybridization? You may expect questions. So V M minus C plus A. Clear? Whatever I have selected, confusing examples which is frequently asking in examination. So both level 2, lower level to higher level. Okay. So half into central atom sulfur, no 6 valence electron, same like oxygen. See 6. Next one, oxygen. Oxygen is not monovalent. Monovalent is nothing but I gave no list only that. And we have charge here. This is charged species 6 plus 2. Cation means subtraction. Anion means adding. Right. So here also 8 by 2. 8 by 2 is nothing but 4. 4 means sp3. So now lone pairs calculation 4 minus number of bonded atoms. Number of bond pairs how many? 4 only. Bonded atoms 4. 0. Clear, students? Now structure. So sp3 hybridization, 0 lone pairs means what is the geometry and shape? Above case same like methane molecule, tetrahedral. No change. Whatever geometry is there, shape also same thing. 109 degrees 28 minutes. You can draw the structure. Yes. And one more shortcut I gave to logic. No, out of 4 oxygens, two oxygens negative charge. Double bond O, tetrahedral, no? O minus, O minus. That's all, students. You can draw like this, sulfate ion. Clear? With the help of the shortcut, we can use a number of examples. I am going to give some questions. Try yourself. And next video, I am going to give answers. PCl5 molecule. Next, PCl4 plus, PCl6 minus. Next, IF7, ClF3. 5 examples you can try. Okay, students, thank you. Thanks for watching. So next video, I am going to do hydrogen bonding and molecular orbital theory, bond order calculation also, students. So next, it will take 3 more videos, and some examples of hybridization topic also I am going to give. All you can see and utilize, and examination time you can try your best marks. Okay, students, thank you.